Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. We are back again with a dashcam review, and this time we have the latest 70MAI Dashcam M500, and in this video we will do the unboxing and will show you how it performs. So before we start the video, I would like to thank NextDigitron for sending us the review unit. They are the authorized sales and service partner of 70MAI and DDPi products. And if you want to purchase this dashcam or any other 70MAI product, then do visit their website. So starting with the unboxing, in the front of the box we have the picture of the dashcam, and here we have the model name M500. At this side we have some key features such as 1944p Ultra HD video, 170° ultra wide angle view, built-in eMMC which is first in a dashcam, and then it comes with a built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. And here at this side we have the 70MAI branding. At the back of the box we can see that this is the 64GB variant, and apart from that, this dashcam will be available in the 128GB storage variant. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get this envelope, and here we have the user guide, and then we get these two stickers which we need while installing the dashcam. And then we get the dashcam itself. So this is the main module of the M500 dashcam, and right now I can say that it feels well built and the size is also compact. We will look at the dashcam in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the mount, and you will need this to attach the dashcam to your windshield. And here is how you mount the dashcam. And guys, I find this mounting style very good, and this way it will be easier to unmount the dashcam and take it with you. So after the mount we have the power adapter, and you get this standard cigarette socket adapter, and here we get two full-size USB ports, and you need to connect the dashcam to the orange port. Then in the box we get the additional adhesive sticker for mounting, and also this Type-C connection cable. The length of this cable is 3.5 meters. After that in the box, we get the prying tool which you need at the time of installation and wiring. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the dashcam. 70MAI Dashcam M500 is the latest dashcam from the company. In terms of the design and build quality, the design is very good, and the mount of this dashcam is also very good. You can easily mount and unmount this dashcam. Apart from that, the dashcam itself is compact and the build quality feels very good. In terms of the overview, in the front we have the 170° field of view lens which can shoot up to 1944p, and at this side we have the power button which has the LED light, and on the other side we have the Type-C connection port. At the back we have the vents, and here we can see the hotspot details and the memory information. So overall in terms of design and build quality, I find the 70MAI Dashcam M500 very good, and the build quality of both the mount and the dashcam is very good. Now let's connect the dashcam with the power cable and set it up. And guys, you can do this setup in the car or at home before mounting the dashcam. So here we have the cable connected, and now you need to install the app 70MAI. And for pairing, go to the add device section, and here you can see the 70MAI M500 Dashcam. And now connect to the hotspot, entering the default password which is 12345678. And that's it. Your dashcam is now configured with the app and ready to use. And guys, as soon as you set up the dashcam, it will ask you to enable the parking surveillance, and that you can do by connecting the dashcam with a hardwire kit which you can purchase separately. And just to show you, here we have the hardwire kit, and in this you need to do the connection with the fuse box of your vehicle, and you need to connect the ground, VCC and the ACC wire. Now coming back to the features, this dashcam also comes with the voice commands, and you can perform actions such as take a photo, shoot emergency video, etc., which I will show you in a moment. Now let's go to the car and install the dashcam. So like always, we need to install the dashcam just behind the inside rear view mirror. Make sure to clean the surface and then use a sticker which you have received in the package. Once you install the electromagnetic sticker, then we need to install the mount. And now that's it. Just slide the dashcam module in the mount. Now for wiring, here we'll be using the default cable with the power socket. For this, just connect the cable to the dashcam and then run the cable from the roof towards the side pillar of your car, and then connect it with the power adapter. So our dashcam is now installed. Now let me show you the features of the app first. So guys, here we have the preview of the cam, and you can see the album and click a photo from here. In the settings, you have the resolution settings. You can also enable the parking and the time-lapse mode from here, but this will require the hardware kit installation. After that we have the other settings such as HDR recording, voice control, ADAS calibration and so on. Now let's talk about the main thing, and that is the performance of this dashcam. So guys, I have tested this dashcam in both day and night time. And as you can see that during daytime, the quality of this dashcam is very good. You get the 70MAI logo at the bottom along with the current speed and the GPS coordinates. Talking about the quality more, the text is sharp and you can easily read the number plate of the vehicle in front of you. And also, we get the HDR support, and with this, we get the crisp and bright color output. And as mentioned earlier, you get the 170-degree wide angle lens in this dashcam. And due to this, you get a wide field of view, which is very helpful, especially in a dashcam. The 70MAI M500 Dashcam adjusts with the light automatically, and you can see here we are entering the basement, and from the bright daylight to the dim artificial lighting in the basement, the dashcam was able to adjust the exposure very well. Similarly, we have found the performance of this dashcam at night very good, and here as well, the output is sharp and you can read the text and numbers very easily. Now about the other features, in this dashcam, you get the voice control, and here you can perform few tasks. For example, take a photo, disable hotspot,
turning off Wi-Fi hotspot. Wi-Fi hotspot is off.
And as you can see, this dashcam was able to perform these tasks quite easily. And now about the ADAS, this dashcam comes with an advanced driver assistance system, and once you set it up, you can get driving assistance with this dashcam. And for this, you need to adjust the position of the dashcam and follow the instructions on the screen. And after that, you will get alerts such as car ahead moving, lane departure, car ahead alert, and non-vehicle collision alert, which is new. And basically, you get the pedestrian and cyclist alert. And during our testing, we found that all these features are surprisingly working very well.
Caution, front car. Attention to pedestrians. Lane departure. Vehicle ahead motion detected.
There is also one more feature of this dashcam, and that is the in-car interconnection. And here in this, it can connect with the TPMS, and that is a tire pressure monitoring system. And here we have the TPMS system for this dashcam. And in the box, you get the user manual, and here we have the 4 sensors. You have the barcode and the marking on each of these sensors. And to configure it, just scan the sensor with the app. Make sure to configure the sensors as per the marking, such as LF for the left front, LR for the left rear, and so on. And guys, here we have the tire pressure data from the sensors. You can see this data from the app, and also the dashcam will alert you in case if there is any sudden drop in the air pressure.
Left front tire pressure changed. Please note.
So overall, the 70MAI M500 Dashcam performs very good. It looks good in the car, and performance wise, the output is best in this segment. And also, the features you're getting such as voice command, built-in eMMC, and the ADAS feature makes this dashcam value for money. The additional accessories such as hardware kit and the TPMS system is also a plus point. And with this, you get a complete peace of mind. So to sum it up, if you're in the market for an all-rounder dashcam for your car, then we highly recommend you to check out the 70MAI M500 Dashcam. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy this dashcam, then do check the buy links in the description below. And guys, you can purchase one right now from the Next Digitron website, which are the authorized sales and service partner of the 70MAI and DD-Pi products. You can visit their website nextdigitron.com for more information. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the 70MAI M500 Dashcam. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this dashcam, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.